Okay guys, welcome again in a new lesson about how to add a new item to desktop background. And like this we talked before, we finished before all of these items. So we will learn how to make an icon for desktop background and give it a name, how to name it, how to give this an icon, how to give a position for this item to be displayed at the top of the menu or the bottom of the menu in desktop like this. Also we'll learn before how to add a separator before the item, and before a new item give a separator and add also separator before and separator after. Okay, we'll learn before how to add a command for the new item we created, how to add a command to this key or to this command, right? The new item added, we can add a command. So also we learned before how to add it as a menu, not as a command or as a new item. We learned before how to make it a menu, right? And also we learned how to make this new command or new item added to desktop context menu, how to make it a hidden command. Okay, hidden command means right click, it will not be displayed. So if I keep pressing shift from keyboard and right click, so we will find the item we created, so it will be run. Okay, to avoid crowded menu like this, or to a very big number or very many items, so you will feel boring if this menu becomes very big. So maybe you will feel boring like that, so it's not recommended to make a new item. If you make a new item as a menu, so it will be good for like this, to make this menu short and like this. So I can make it like we learned before as a menu. So but today we will give more specification for the new item added. Now, we learned before how to add to desktop, so the only one location. We learned before about one location to add a new item to desktop, right? We added here in the first hive HKey classes root. Let's concentrate, little bit concentration about what I'm saying. See, we added before the first hive HKey classes root, under directory, under background, under shell, we added the new item. Okay, this is for desktop background. Right click, it will be here, but keep pressing shift because we add here a new value named extended. So this extended made the new item here as a hidden. So right click will not be displayed. Keep pressing shift while you are pressing right click, so it will be appear or will be displayed. Okay, because we add this value. So today we will learn about how to add something to the desktop context menu, but not like this. If we remove this one, so the command will be clear. So right click, normal right click, it will be displayed. The new command will be displayed like this. Okay, now we will learn how to add to desktop. What is the other location inside the registry we can add a new item to the desktop context menu? This context menu can be added here. There is another location called, if we go up like this, there is one item called desktop background. Let's open this desktop background. Let's open shell. We'll find display and personalize. This is already exists in this personalize and display. This display and personalize, this is the same. This one, these two, exactly like these two. Display and personalize, this is display and this is personalize. So we can add more item here. So right click, new key, I leave it as it is. Okay, just right click here, you'll find the new item added here. So this is the second location you can add something to the desktop context menu. So the first location is directory, background, shell, under shell we add a new item here. Okay, if we make a new good things here, okay, let's delete this one, so this disappeared. Let's add this one. Let's take the name desktop background, copy. I'll take the name because I will add a new item here, new key, I'll name it paste desktop background. It means this is desktop background location. Okay, the other one is the directory background. We'll add like this, rename. Okay, let's name this one. Let's make a new key. Let's name it to be very desktop directory background. Okay, I name it just to be clear for you. This is desktop background at the location of the desktop background inside the registry, this location. But the directory background means this is directory background. So the two items, all of these two items is added to the desktop context menu. So there is two ways to add a new item to desktop context menu. The first location is directory, like we always add here under background, under shell. We adding a new item we wish to be displayed in this desktop context menu. The second location is desktop background, so we can add it. You can add this one to desktop context menu. So this is the location for desktop context menu. So how any item you can add in these two locations, it will be displayed at this location at desktop context menu. The first location is directory, the background shell, and the second location is desktop background. This is only tips for you because I don't want this lesson to be very big. It's enough for 6 minutes for this lesson to be the location for desktop context menu. How to add a new item to desktop background or the desktop context menu. So the first location is like we always add here, directory, first hive hkey classes root, under the hkey classes root directory, under directory background and shell, so you can add a new item here to desktop. The second location is desktop background. That's all I can say in this lesson. So I don't want to make it big, so I think it's enough. So we reached now to the end of the video. So thank you so very much for watching this video, and goodbye.